Roars, snorts, and infrasounds. Author's note: when I was a child, my parents took me on a safari to see the African forest elephant. Since then, I've loved elephants. Unfortunately, many people do not see elephants like I do. I hope this piece raises awareness about elephants. The walk to work isn't easy for Katie Payne and the other scientists. Every morning, they wade through the swamp, cross a forest, and make their way to a large, muddy clearing. It's important for scientists to arrive early. Within a few hours, the elephants arrive. They gather around to drink the muddy water. From a high platform, the scientists research the elephants. We ourselves spend all day there, watching, recording, filming, and counting elephants, Payne said. Things can get rough. The later and hotter it gets, the more elephants come, and also the more sweat bees which crawl into our eyes and noses, Payne said. The scientists spend a lot of time listening. The team uses a special tool called an autonomous recording unit, or ARU, to capture sounds. The ARUs record all the sounds they hear: wind, rain, falling trees, local footsteps, and even unwelcoming gunshots. They also capture loud elephant calls. These calls are the most common ways elephants talk to each other. Payne was one of the first scientists to discover that elephants communicate in one other way, through infrasounds. Payne first felt these infrasounds years ago when visiting the elephants at the Washington Park Zoo. She felt the air around her shake, but there was no sound. She was immediately curious. Payne and her husband studied whale songs for years. Their research about whale songs led to laws to protect whales. She wondered, are elephants like whales, calling to each other with sounds powerful enough for me to feel, but too low for me to hear? She had to find out. Payne went to Africa to research her questions. Her team put ARUs under the ground to catch the infrasounds elephants made as they traveled through the earth. It turns out these low sounds can travel up to 2.5 miles. They can bend around grass and trees. Elephants use their trunks and ears to send the sounds where they need to go. Scientists say infrasounds are a kind of seismic vibration, almost like a mini earthquake. Elephants feel the sounds through special pads in their feet. Unfortunately, the African forest elephant is now on the threatened species list. Elephants are losing their land. Today, they only live in a few countries. Other people choose to kill elephants for their ivory tusk. Tusks can be sold for a lot of money. Humans are currently the #1 threat to forest elephants. This killing has to stop. Scientists like Payne are doing everything they can to solve these problems. The ARUs are also helping. They capture the sounds made by people who are cutting down trees and people who are hunting or trapping elephants. These recordings have led to more lawbreakers getting caught. Scientists can also play warning infrasounds near villages where lots of people live. These sounds keep elephants away from villages where they might get killed. Payne is hopeful that all the work her colleagues are doing will make a difference. We complete the work, and may it help elephants, Payne said.